watch how I make this Aztec Indian clay mask for large pores on hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Keep watching. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. It is SimplyMiah and today we will be making a face mask. So as you can see here, I am using the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, bentonite clay. I'm using a tablespoon of the clay. And as you see, I am using a plastic spoon, because from what I understand, that metal has a reaction to the clay. So I always like to make sure that when I make this mask, I'm using a plastic spoon. And as you can also see, I mixed it with apple cider vinegar. You can mix this with water, but from what I understand as well, the apple cider vinegar gives it a little bit of pH balance. So you can see here I sped it up a little bit just to mix it up. And I am also adding tea tree oil. You do not have to add tea tree oil. I personally like to add tea tree oil because it has great properties that I love. So as you see here, I am closing everything up and getting that tea tree oil mixed into the mask. And it might look like it's not a lot, but please believe it'll be more than enough. So here I am, and I have a clean makeup brush, and I'm going to just begin to apply it directly onto a clean face. I've already washed my face previously before the video, and here you'll just see me evenly distributing the mask on my face. And as you see, I have a lot of dark marks and hyperpigmentation. Oops. Yeah, so I have a lot of dark spots and hyperpigmentation from, just acne over the years and hormones and things like that. And as you can see, I have really bad dark marks along the crease in my neck. For some reason, I just get really bad acne on my neck. It's really an odd, uncomfortable place, but that was me smelling the tea tree oil. Strong smell, but it's so good. I love it. Stuff is great for, antibacterial cleansing. But here I am just, applying the mask here all over, making sure I get it evenly distributed all over my face. And looks like I am about done. As you can see, as I mentioned previously, that was more than enough mask. It's actually a little bit left over, so I'm going to do my best to use the rest of it. Just go over the parts that I want to target. And this mask is supposed to, tighten your pores, clean your pores. So we're going to wait 10 minutes. I set a timer for 10 minutes. And we're going to hold on and come back in 10 minutes. Looks like time is up. So now that time is up, we want to make sure that our mask is completely dry. You might feel some tightness, but that's great. That means it's working. Now I'm using lukewarm water to pat my face to break up the mask because it is going to be hard like clay. And I continue to wipe it off with a wet, warm washcloth until it's completely removed. And then here you'll see me pat drying my face. It's very important that you pat dry. I've used this mask many times, but when I first used the mask, I did notice slight redness when I first removed the mask, but I guess my skin is used to it now. So the mask is complete, and I'm just going in with my dark spot corrective serum from Kiehl's skincare line. I'll put the link below, and I'm just rubbing that in, patting that in to my problem areas for dark spots. And that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.